Hello, English 1A scholars. So it's 2.12 part 2, which is due Friday, September 13th. Friday the 13th. Not this test. Oh. It'll be okay though. I'm going to help you through it. So don't forget the QT-PI strategy. So we start with Q and we read the question and we highlight key words. So question, a theme developed and out of place is that through understanding, one can build trust and create a bond. Then there's 1, what details from the story help develop this theme? 2, how does the character of Michelle help develop this theme? And so what you're going to do is go through all of the W's and the H, the who, the what, the when, the where, the why, the how, and see what are those key words in the question, and then use those keywords and ideas as you read through the story. Now, if you would like to have it read to you, there's also the out of place audio reading that is also available to you on today's plan. It is up to you on if you want to use it. Now we get to the PI, and that's whenever we prove it with the inferred evidence, which is where most students have issues. They either forget things or they rush through it, and so today I'm going to kind of show you exactly what I'm looking for and what to make sure to include, so that way you don't have these problems and can get your full credit. So then you've got the first thing is the thesis statement. That's whenever you use those keywords that you had above and you put them into a statement. Now that means that it cannot start with the who, what, when, where, why, or how. Otherwise that would make it a question. So make sure to make it into a statement. Start with one of the nouns. Alright. Then you've got the evidence. The evidence means that you're literally taking a quote from something above. So you have to take it, copy and paste, put quotation marks around it, and you're done. Beautiful. Next step is you have to use an in-text citation, which with this one, because we don't have an author's name, we're just going to use the name of the story itself. And seeing that it's a short story, we'll put quotation marks around it. So we would actually call this out of place, like this, with quotation marks and parentheses around it. And then the how does this relate to your thesis statement, that's whenever you're saying this proves the thesis statement, or my claim, or restating what it is that you said above, because, and then you give the reasonings behind why you chose that quote, how it does what it says that you're saying it does. So in this case, like, how does it show understanding or creating a bond or that kind of thing? And then you do the same thing over and over again for evidence 2 and then evidence 3 if you want to do it. That's not required. And then you get to the restatement of the thesis statement. And that's literally you take number 1, but in different words or different order of words. And that's it. You're done with the outline. And I do suggest the outline because then all you have to do is copy and paste from what you've got up here. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. But there is one weird part with this one. You have to move this period from the end of the quote to past the in-text citation. That's the only difference. And then your proof, copy, paste. And then you do that same thing with the quote and the in-text citation and the reasons why for every one of those evidence. So if you got 2, then it's twice. If you got 3, then it's 3 times. And then whatever you have for the restatement, number 5, then you copy and paste it right at the end. And then all you really have to do is make sure that you've got your end punctuation, capitalization, all of that stuff to make sure that it actually flows the way it should, and turn it into the Dropbox. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to me or come into Open Help. Have a great day. Bye.